time is it and what time is it? Let me tell you now, it is the DW World Equity Times. From now onwards, every Monday, 9 a.m., 10 minutes is all you need to spend with us. And on every Monday morning, we're going to pick a powerful stock, and it may come from Singapore markets, Malaysia markets, Hong Kong markets, China markets, US or UK markets. And we call this the OTOP 1910. One target, one purpose, Monday, 9 a.m. and 10 minutes. Be forewarned, we are not recommending any stocks, but it could be a very powerful stocks or very potential commodity counter for that particular week. So stay tuned, and what you're going to do next is every Monday, 9 a.m., just log on and watch us. Stay tuned and be our friend. I'll be right back. Welcome back to the OTOP Series 8, and in Cantonese we call it the Fat. And this is the OTOP8 for the week 21st September, year 2020. And before we start, we received a lot of good feedback and positive optimism from a lot of viewers that told us that every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, the instrument that we introduce to them is either going up or at least it is very firm for a couple of days. So the risk is well controlled. But then again, we still want to advise and remind all the viewers, all right, do your due diligence and homework before you may want to take any action. So for today, 21st September year 2020, OTOP8, are you ready? If you are, then, well, I'm going to share with you one very potential instrument for this week, and this is a list code in Shanghai Stock Exchange with the code number 603393, and the company's name is Xinjiang Xintai Natural Gas. So let me briefly just tell you what about this company. Right, Xinjiang Xintai Natural Gas is a China-based company involved in urban natural gas distribution and sales, home installation, and coal-bed methane mining business. The company's gas products and services include natural gas sales, natural gas home installation, and compressed natural gas transportation services. And the company is operating in Xinjiang as well as in Shanxi of China. So let's get into the technical part of the company before we briefly show you some of the financial data of this list code in Shanghai. Okay, look here. This is 603393 listed in Shanghai. Okay, and this is a day chart. Before we start off, look at this. All right, there was a correction recently. All right, moving down. And what we see here is a very firm support at 24.3 RMB, which is a local currency trading for this stock. Okay, so with this support very strong, another thing that we have noticed is the potential turning up of the momentum on 20 days back to zero, and perhaps it could be moving into a positive zone in this coming week. So on this day chart, how we want to double confirm our analysis and our prediction is by turning into the 4-hour chart. Take a look at this. This is what we have spotted, and we really just want to share with you. Look at this. The 4-hour chart is really beautiful with the exponential moving average on the 4 days and 20 days converging for the past 2 or 3 days, in fact many hours, and the momentum has potentially going into zero. So this week, if you are going to take a position in this Xinjiang Xintai 603393 in Shanghai, all right, we recommend the risk control, it should be anywhere around here at 24.5, while the up move potentially it could be anywhere from 32 to 36 RMB. So the technical chart is pretty simple and straightforward. From here we want to just go into quickly introducing you the basic financials of the company, which the market cap is 8.2 billion Chinese yuan, or we call it RMB. And going down on here, we want to take a look at the valuation. Okay, valuation here is showing that the company has got a PE ratio of 18.6, which is pretty undervalued compared to other gas utilities industry, that is 21.3. And going down further, well, we see that the future growth, it could be at 21%, and the free cash flow is still growing. Okay, let's take a look at the debt, which I am always very particular, and that could actually excite you as well. The short-term assets, okay, already exceeds and cover the short-term liabilities, while the long-term assets also exceeds and cover the long-term liabilities. Well, the overall debt to the equity ratio is at 25.6%, although over the last 5 years it has been rising, but it is still very well contained. So basically, this company is very healthy, and the debt is well controlled, all right, and the operating cash flow is good, and the interest payment on the debt are well covered by the EBIT, which is the EBIT. All right, so dividend has been over. All right, we are not looking at any dividend now, but the dividend was paid at 2.18% as of last work year. So as we always promise you guys, less than 10 minutes is all we need you to stay with us on every Monday morning, 9 a.m. in the OTOP. And this is the OTOP8. That again on the 21st September year 2020. And we wish all of you, just like what I mentioned earlier, FUD, and that means prosperity and wealth. This is the DW World Equity Time, and we shall see you again next week. Do stay with us. Bye-bye.